Looking to add more lighting to your Tacoma for nighttime activities? In this video, we will be installing the 6th element ditch light mounting bracket onto the 2024 and newer Toyota Tacoma. Let's start by opening and propping up the hood. On the driver's side of the Tacoma, use a 12mm socket and wrench to completely remove the top bolt. Each bracket is labeled with either a D for driver's side or a P for passenger side. Take the driver's side ditch light mounting bracket and bring it around the hood support and attach it to the underside using the bolt that was once removed. Tighten the top bolt enough so that the hood does not move while loosening the bottom bolt. Now loosen the bottom bolt while keeping an eye on the hood. We don't want the hood to move. If the hood does start to move, tighten the top bolt a little more. After the bottom bolt is removed, rotate the ditch light bracket into position where the second hole lines up with the threaded insert in the hood. Next, reinstall the bottom bolt. Fully tighten both the bottom and the top bolt and repeat the process on the passenger side. Either the top or bottom bolt can be removed first, but the important thing to remember is to loosen and reinstall one bolt at a time so that the hood doesn't move out of alignment. Our brackets are laser cut and CNC bent for accuracy with 304 stainless steel. This provides extra resistance to the outdoor elements on top of our durable black powder coating. These brackets were CAD designed from 3D scans of the truck hood for a perfect fit using the OEM mounting bolts. No cutting or drilling required. Both brackets universally accept ditch lights that have a 10mm mounting hole and use either M8 or 3/8 inch hardware.